looking at the magnitude of this exercise and looking at the level of success we registered last year, I have no doubt in my mind that we will do it again this year. I have no doubt in my mind. That was, a good way of learning. But again, quite frankly, we are talking about 419 containers. There wasn't a single breach. We had only challenges in 3 containers where, again, it was not a breach. It was a case where officials had misplaced the keys. We replaced the keys. I think we can say we had a near 100% success in protecting the exam, and we thank God for it. So we will continue with the national monitoring of the exams as we did last year. All of us will be out. Our senior officers from all the education sector agencies will be out. Our colleagues from TSC, Kenya Education Management Institute, SEMASTEA, Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, all the directors, all the senior staff, and myself, the PS, will all be involved in monitoring the exam this year, sorry. I would like to assure us that you have all the support you need from the government to ensure that this exercise is a success. All of us, my colleague Joe Musheru, the Minister for ICT, and myself are in constant communication. All the departmental planning and mobilization has been done. We are ready. We have no excuse at all because we have even been given the money by the Exchequer that we need to conduct this exercise. So we do not have any excuse for failure. We are ready completely. We are sorted out, and because of the importance of this exercise, our leaders, led by the President himself, are keen to be sure that everything we need is provided to us.